knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little.
Welcome back to the Jamaica Anonymous Issues channel. Today, we would love to look at financial education. I look around me and I see people suffering in this time. Persons are losing their jobs, persons are being laid off, persons are being removed from their apartments, and they have nowhere to turn. And I thought to myself, why were we not teaching our kids financial education? Why were we not growing our kids up to become entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and the works? Why are we so adamant in supporting the system? Why are we so adamant in supporting standardization? A system which trains our children to think in only one way, negating their true abilities, their respective abilities, to become 9-to-5 worker bees. A lot of people are suffering today. I went to visit a friend and I saw a doctor who inhabits, he rented out one of my friend's apartment. Now my friend, he has no qualification whatsoever. And here he has a doctor inhabiting one of his apartment, paying him rent monthly. There was a little conversation and this doctor expressed that he has student loans to pay off. Oh my God. He has student loans to pay and he's stuck in an apartment, a doctor, paying rent to someone who he would actually look down on to say, listen, you don't have no good grammar, you're not educated, you never go university. Why are we not teaching our kids financial education so that they can grow and create wealth? This is a question that we should be asking ourselves as a society. The Jamaican people are not only suffering as it relates to financially, they're suffering mentally as well, because in their minds they think there is no other way out but to go to some educational institution in order to become wealthy. For example, I met a girl in 2017-18. She asked me, what do I do for a living? And I told her that I am an entrepreneur, and she lost interest. She said that I do not have a steady income, because in her mind she believed that there is no security in owning your own business. That is truly sad. Just stop for a second and look around. Just take a look at what is happening around you. The people are making decisions based on desperation. When your job is being threatened and you look and you see that there's no other way out, then you will take the knee and do whatever is said to be done, because what? You have kids in the mix, you have family members relying on you, and you have no income for yourself. In schools we teach our kids so many things, but we do not teach them money management. We should have a curriculum for entrepreneurship. It should be a part of CXC. Yeah, we should have a curriculum for investment. That should be a part of CXC. We need full programs that can help our kids to integrate properly into the frame of mind wherein they can feel confident enough in creating wealth, creating businesses. And of course everyone will not be able to do this, but liberate the few so that they can also create jobs for those who are naturally worker bees. The system is rigged. My final words: I believe every parent owe it to their child or children to educate them financially, so that when chaos like what is happening in the world today strikes, they can have a firm platform on which they can survive It's the Jamaica Anonymous Issues channel.
Soldiers, don't fight for slavery, fight for liberty. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke it is written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. Then in the name of democracy, let us use that power. Let us all unite. Let us fight for a new world. Decent world that will give men a chance to work, that will give youth a future and old age a security. By the promise of these things, brutes have risen to power, but they lie. They do not fulfill that promise. They never will. Dictators free themselves, but they enslave the people. Now let us fight to fulfill that promise. Let us fight to free the world, to do away with national barriers, to do away with greed, with hate and intolerance. Let us fight for a world of reason, a world where science and progress will lead to all men's happiness. Soldiers,